Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear Facebook cached on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. First, we need to go to Facebook. Then we go to the menu section. In the upper right corner, we go to Settings by clicking on the gear. We need to scroll down a little bit. We find the Browser section. Click on it. Then we see that we can clear our files and cookies. Click Clear. At the bottom of the screen, we can see that we have an autofill tool. It is responsible for storing our login information, such as passwords, our name, nickname, or email. Maybe even our residential address. All of that takes up some space. I don't have that information saved right now, as you can see. But if you do, it can be cleared just as easily. Just like you cleared your cookies. There's another method. For this, we need to go to Phone Settings. Here we go to General. We need to go into iPhone Storage. Here we find Facebook. Click on it. And now we click here, Confirm our action. Then we'll see a slightly different window. We click on it again. Don't be afraid to do this because it cleans up your files and cookies very well. And anything else that might be clogging up your Facebook. So if it's starting to glitch a little bit, it's a good idea to do this. As you can see, it loads. So this action will take some time. Don't be afraid after everything is cleaned up. You will be able to easily access Facebook without requiring your password and your name. You can just keep using Facebook as before. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes and also write your comments. See you all again.